AirDroid Remote Support has an AR camera feature that allows the supporter to see through the camera of the supportee's mobile device and guide them by placing 3D markers on real-world objects. Now let's learn how to enable the AR camera on Android and iOS devices. Both the supporter and the supportee can click on the AR camera button after establishing a remote connection. When the supportee clicks on AR camera, a pop-up window will appear asking for permission to enable the AR camera. After reading the privacy statement, click Continue to enable the AR camera. When the supporter clicks on AR camera, the supportee needs to click on Enable and then Continue to successfully activate the AR camera. After enabling the AR camera, the supportee will need to follow the on-screen instructions to slowly move the mobile device, allowing it to recognize the object and start using the AR camera. The supporter can tap the screen to place 3D arrows on real-world objects to guide the supportee. The supportee can also create their own AR video and save or send it to the supporter. Open AirDroid Remote Support on a mobile device and click Create AR Tutorial on the main screen. Now you can use the camera to record your surroundings and place 3D arrows. The AR camera is a powerful tool for remote support, offering numerous benefits such as enhanced visualization, real-time assistance, increased efficiency, cost savings, improved customer experience, and valuable data collection. Okay, that's all for this video. For more information about AirDroid Remote Support, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.